and he is the owner of biggest bike collection as in cricketer. Today we are taking the deep look into the most popular bikes of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Then let's get it on. Number 1, 1965 BSA Gold Star. The cost of the bike is 13.9 lakh rupees. In other countries, 20,000 US dollar. The bike comes with alloy air-cooled OHV 500cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, which produces 42 bhp at 7,000 rpm, and the bike can reach to the top speed of 180 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 10 seconds. Number 2, Confederate Hellcat X132. It is the very rare bike. Only 150 exist in the world, and it is the most expensive bike in the garage of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The cost of the bike is 50,000 US dollar, but MS Dhoni has to pay 110% import duty tax, and it cost about 60 lakh rupees in India. The bike comes with 2.2 liter V-twin engine, which produces 132 bhp and a 200 Nm of torque. The bike can reach to the top speed of 277 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 5.6 seconds. Number 3, Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R. The cost of the bike is 19.7 lakh rupees. In other countries, 28,000 US dollar. The bike comes with 4-cylinder 1441cc engine, which produces 197 bhp and a 158 Nm of torque. The bike can reach to the top speed of 335 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 2.6 seconds. Number 4, Kawasaki Ninja H2 sports bike. The cost of the bike is 34.99 lakh rupees. In other countries, 50,000 US dollar. The bike comes with liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder supercharged engine, which produces 231 PS of power and a 141 Nm of torque. The bike can reach to the top speed of 300 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. Number 5, Yamaha FZ1. The cost of the bike is 10.7 lakh rupees. In other countries, 15,300 US dollar. The bike comes with liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC 5-cylinder engine, which produces power of 150 PS and a 106 Nm of torque. The bike can reach to the top speed of 255 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. Number 6, Yamaha Rajdoot 350. It was the first bike purchased by Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The cost of the bike is 30,000 rupees. In other countries, 429 US dollar. The bike comes with 347cc 2-stroke parallel twin-cylinder air-cooled engine, which produces 30.5 bhp and a 32 Nm of torque. The bike can reach to the top speed of 150 km per hour. Number 7, Harley Davidson Fatboy. The cost of the bike is 18.2 lakh rupees. In other countries, 26,000 US dollar. The bike comes with 1745cc Milwaukee 8107 air-cooled V-twin motor engine, which produces 61 bhp and a 144 Nm of torque. The bike can reach to the top speed of 175 km per hour. Number 8, 1965 Norton Jubilee 250. The cost of the bike is 2.69 lakh rupees. In other countries, 3,800 US dollar. The bike comes with 2 liter 250cc twin engine, which produces 16 horsepower, and the bike can reach to the top speed of 120 km per hour. Number 9, Yamaha RX 100. It was the second bike purchased by Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The cost of the bike is 16,000 rupees. In other countries, 229 US dollar. The bike comes with 98cc 1-stroke engine, which produces 11 bhp and a 10.39 Nm of torque. The bike can reach to the top speed of 100 km per hour. Number 10, Yamaha YZ F600R Thundercat. The cost of the bike is 9.3 lakh rupees. In other countries, 13,000 US dollar. Liquid-cooled 4-stroke inline 4-cylinder engine, which produces 122 bhp and a 64 Nm of torque. And the bike can reach to the top speed of 236 km per hour. This is the most popular bike used by Mahendra Singh Dhoni. If you like that video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video.